In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in on Gemini AI. First, open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox, and make sure you're online. In the search bar, type Gemini AI and press Enter. In the results, choose the official Gemini site. It should clearly reference the Gemini AI experience from a trusted provider. Before you proceed, glance at the web address and confirm you see a secure connection indicator in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign In button. On a computer, you'll typically find it in the upper right corner. On a phone or tablet, it may be in the main menu or near the top of the screen. Click or tap Sign In to move to the secure Sign In screen. Now enter the email address associated with your Gemini access. Take a moment to check for typos and extra spaces. Small mistakes can block a successful login. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. Depending on your account, you may be asked for a password, to confirm a notification, or to enter a verification code. Complete each prompt carefully. Only use codes you personally requested and avoid sharing them with anyone. If your device offers to save your sign-in securely, that can make future logins faster, but do this only on devices you trust. When you finish the on-screen steps, you'll be signed in. The Gemini interface will load, and you should see a place to type your message. If the page seems stuck, refresh it or close and reopen your browser tab, then confirm you're still on the official site. Now you're ready to explore. Click or tap into the prompt box and start with a simple request. Ask for an explanation, a quick outline, or help brainstorming ideas. For better results, be clear about your goal, include any important context, and mention the format you want, like a brief summary, a list of options, or a conversational paragraph. If the first answer isn't quite right, refine it with a follow-up message. Iterating is normal, and short, direct prompts often produce the clearest responses. A few best practices before you dive in. Avoid sharing personal, financial, or other sensitive information in your prompts. Keep your browser updated for security and sign out when using a shared or public device. And that's it. Open your browser and search for Gemini, select Sign In, enter your email, and follow the prompts on your screen to complete the process. Once you're in, start exploring Gemini by entering your prompts and discover how it can help you work, learn, and create with confidence.